Is this the best budget-friendly Bluetooth speaker in the market today? Stick around to the end to learn all you need to know about this speaker and if it's indeed the best budget Bluetooth speaker. So without wasting your time, let's get right to the unboxing and review. Once opened, you will get this small pack that contains the USB-C charging cable, the quick start guide that contains all the necessary information about this device, and then the JBL warranty card. But before I proceed with the review, let's quickly highlight some of the features of this speaker and then proceed from there. The Flip Essential 2 features Bluetooth 5.1, a USB-C charging. According to JBL, it offers 10 hours of playback time per charge, a 3250 mAh battery capacity, and it's also IPX7 waterproof rated. The JBL Flip Essential 2 has a cylindrical design. The edges are wrapped with soft silicone-like material, and the speaker part is made of woven fabric. The size of the speaker is 175 by 68 by 75 mm, and the weight is about 0.52 kg. It has the Bluetooth button, the volume buttons, and the playback button on the back of the speaker. You can decide to keep this speaker flat on a surface or have it stand upright. The frame of the speaker is equipped with the power button, the battery indicator lights, a waterproof cover protecting the USB-C charging port, and a lanyard. The cylindrical shape of the speaker makes it very easy to grab and hold. Also, the installed lanyard is practical. You can wrap the speaker around your hand or hang it on your backpack. Now let's move to the connectivity and controls. The connection process of the speaker is simple and easy. Just press and hold the power button to turn on the speaker, then select JBL Flip Essential 2 in the Bluetooth list of your phone to successfully connect to the speaker. Unfortunately, this speaker does not support the JBL Sound app. The Flip Essential 2 is very simple to control with only 4 common operations. Press the triangle button to play or pause the music, double-click to switch tracks, and then use the volume buttons to control the volume. Moving on to the sound and battery life of the speaker. Thanks to the large driver unit and the JBL's excellent design, the low frequency in songs are deep, powerful, and responsive. The overall listening experience is very outstanding. At normal volume, there is no excessive hiss in the high frequency. The overall distortion is small and rich in detail. However, this speaker gives a certain sound attenuation at higher volumes. The soundage of the JBL Flip Essential 2 is very high indoor, and the outdoor volume has relatively good performance, so this speaker can meet both your indoor and outdoor listening use. The battery capacity of the JBL Flip Essential 2 is 3250 mAh, and it promises to give up to 10 hours of playback time. However, this wasn't the case, as the battery of this speaker could only last between 4 to 5 hours at medium to high volume use. The Flip Essential 2 is IPX7 rated, which makes it water and sweat proof, so you can confidently take this speaker to the beach or swimming pool. In conclusion, the JBL Flip Essential 2 is a very good Bluetooth speaker. I like that it's not big in size and still has a great rich sound. The sound is clear and pleasant to the ears. Its design is elegant, tactile, and resistant. I would recommend this speaker to anyone looking for a high quality, moderately priced Bluetooth speaker. I will be doing a comparison video between this JBL Flip Essential 2 and the JBL Flip 6 in another video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.